Hi guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video. If you're having issues with your chair legs getting loose over time, some people complain that they buy chairs and the legs get loose, within a month, and then they have to keep coming back in and retightening them, the bolts and stuff. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how you can prevent that from happening. Now, most likely this issue is happening if your chairs were not installed properly, if the legs were not installed properly. So this is an example. These are just some chairs I just recently purchased, and as you can see, it's supposed to go in like this. Now it came with some hardwares, and these are the hardwares that came with it. Now normally the way this setup is supposed to work is you have this plain washer and then you have this lock washer, and normally when you're installing these lock washers, this is how they're supposed to go. This is the setup that they're supposed to be installed. So basically, once you install it, the lock washer gets tightened up against the surface, and then it applies pressure on your bolt so it does not get loosened over time. This is how they're supposed to be used. However, in the furniture, if you notice, this is the normal hole. So for example, if I am installing this like this, see what's going to happen is once I tighten this all the way up, this washer is going to go inside that hole. So it's going in, and this hole is pretty deep. So when you tighten this all the way down, this washer is kind of like just loose and lingering inside that hole. It's not really doing its job, and the only thing that's stopping this from coming loose is just whatever torque that you apply towards the wood, and that's not going to do it. So I'm going to show you a way you can overcome this. All you have to do is change the orientation. So we're going to put this lock washer in first, and then we're going to put this plain washer. And what this is going to do is, as you can see, our head is bigger than this lock washer. So now it's going to apply that pressure on the bolt and on this, so it's going to try to keep this as tight as possible. And there's nothing in this assembly instruction that shows you that, it does not show you that. So by default, a lot of us just assume that this is how they're supposed to go in, and a lot of people install it this way. However, we have to modify this given our circumstances and install it this way, and that will fix your issue. So we're going to take this, put this in, and as you can see, as I'm tightening this, I can already feel some pressure. So now you can see close how it's exerting pressure on the bolt, and this is going to help it from coming loose over time. So we're just going to take this and just keep tightening this. Make sure you do both of them together so you don't over tighten one of them and one of them is too loose, And as you can see, it's flattening out, but as it's flattening out, it's still applying that pressure onto the bolt. So and that's it. So hopefully this will resolve your issue. Now, another thing I can recommend you do that, if you have some kind of, gum or something, that would more like a sticky substance that you can apply on here. Some kind of caulking would help too, or anything that you have. If you apply it on top, something that will come off, it's either like a silicone tube or something. If you just apply that around here, that will also prevent this from coming loose over time. That just helps the movement. This thing does not move. But I think this should solve your issue. So guys, hopefully this helps. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.